In this video, we're going to show you how to create an e-learning link in Teams and how to get that into your Schoology course for your students to access. So my first step, I'm going to open my Teams desktop app. You can also access Teams through the web version, whichever one you prefer. But I open my desktop app and I'm going to look for the calendar on the left-hand side. Once I click on the calendar in Teams, I'm going to move to the right-hand side of the screen and look for this Meet Now button. When I click the Meet Now, this is where I'm going to get my link. This Get a Link to Share button is what we want to press, and it will pop up this link that we're going to post into Schoology. When you click the meeting options here, now realize you can do this at a later point in time. You can go into the meeting and do it right before, but I would set this right now while we're here. So when you go into options, the main thing we want to change is who can bypass the lobby, and you want to set that to organizers and co-organizers. And there's several different options that we can look at here, but the one we changed is the main one. Some of this is personal preference. You have the ability to allow them to use their mics. You can turn on their cameras, meeting chat. That's up to you. You probably want to have your attendance report on so you can go back and check to see who is in the meeting. But the key is make sure whatever changes you make on this screen that you do click Save. And so this link has already been copied, but I will hit copy again, and you see there you get the copied to the clipboard. Now we're going to jump into our Schoology course, and this is where we're going to post our link so students will be able to join in. So I'm going to jump into my first hour course here. I'm going to go up to Add Materials, and from Add Materials I'm going to add File Link External Tool. We are adding a link. I'm going to press Control V, which will paste that link. Control V. I will title it e-learning, and I'm going to make sure that this says display in a new window. So it always tells you what it's currently doing. So you want it kind of grayed out, and when you hover over display in a new window, and I'm going to click add. So now you can see this link. Obviously right now I'm not using it, so I'm going to hit the gear and I'm going to unpublish, and you'll see that right now students would not be able to see that, but on an e-learning day I would jump into Schoology, I would click publish, and I would enter my meeting right here just like the students will do. And that is it for this video. Thank you.